Today in our RSC Knowledge series, we are going to be going through other useful tools for repopulating your buildings in a post-COVID-19 world. They are return groups, team space, and equipment on floor plans. With return groups, we'll be going through how to visualize seeing where different plans for a staged returns to office, whether they're alternating groups, for example, a Monday-Wednesday group and a Tuesday-Thursday group that would allow you to distance your employees better, or if it's priority return groups of different groups of employees returning in different phases to the floor plan. Both can be seen using this tool. These return groups overlay nicely with the existing team space module that allows you to see your teams on the floor plan. So within each of these teams, you can see the different return groups that you have set up. The final component uses our equipment on floor plan functionality for staff to be able to visualize where any related equipment has been placed. This can include hand washing stations, temperature checking stations, PPE that you're providing for your team, including gloves and masks, and where you've placed hand sanitizer.